Hi again, Jeremiah. Another place you can go for articles is going to be in the Opposing Viewpoints database. So all you have to do is move your dot from EBSCO over to Opposing Viewpoints, and you can click Go right on the library search widget right there. When you show up on the page, you can just type in education and inequality right here and press enter. And you'll see you'll get some results in here. Now across the top is the dashboard where you can see all the different types that you can of material that you can get from media, primary sources, audio files, and things like that. I think you'll have some luck with these viewpoint articles. So if you click on viewpoints, it'll have 23 after it, and that means there's going to be 23 items that appear. And some of them will be on topic for you, and some of them might be off topic for you. So right here, like an article that says quality education would improve income equality. That's from 2016. Income equality is higher in the US than any elsewhere. That comes from 2016. Or education is not the cure for income inequality. So that's what they're really focusing on there. So you can kind of look here and see if any of these hit on the points that you're talking about when you're referring to education and inequality. So if they are, you can click on the title. Now this one's a little older, from 2004, but you can always click on the title. The full text will appear. You can save it with these tools across the top on Google Drive or OneDrive, or you can click on the email button and send this email to yourself with whatever your subject should be. Or actually, you can leave the from section empty because you won't be needing that. You just have to do the to. But you can put a message in there to yourself. Make sure you send it as the full text. And know that when you send yourself the full text, that at the very bottom of the article, it will automatically send you a citation for it. And it looks like it's coming in the MLA format size. So you'll see that's going to be right there. And when you email it, it'll automatically come to you. So that's how Opposing Viewpoints works. If you have any questions or you want to narrow it down, you can always just change your topic right here at the top.